Assalamu alaikum and good morning, respected parents and my dear students. I hope all of you are in the best of your health and happiness. Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Almighty, support of management, your cooperation and hard work of my teachers and office staff. Today we have completed more than 40 days of online teaching learning process. Parents and students, today I want to discuss some points and some announcement I want to make. WhatsApp group we formed specially for the primary students on the 2nd of April, as they are not able to copy from the videos. From PDF they can copy more comfortably, and if parents want to take the printout, they can get it easily. For videos, on 7th of April, we formed a YouTube channel, Pinnacle Learning, and we are sending only the link on WhatsApp group. So parents and students, whenever required, they can go through the videos. And one more benefit for this, that it consumes the less space on mobile. For doing all these tasks, management support at every step we got, and our management have only one aim, that is the benefit of students. I appreciate the hard work and outstanding job done by my team of teachers. When we started this journey of online teaching, many of my teachers were not very comfortable with technology, but they did not give up. They discuss with each other. When required, they get the experts' guidance also and tried their best to give 100% to the students. They all upgraded the process every day. Sometimes they made the PPT with animation. When required, they come to school and uploaded their live videos. And for doing these things, our office staff always cooperate with them. So I am thankful to my office staff also. Alhamdulillah, I think we somewhat become successful for the goal achievement, as within the 40 days we have more than 1.2 thousand subscribers and we have uploaded more than 300 videos. It is showing the students, they remain connected to the learning process. Now parents and students, I want to make some important announcement. From today, that is 16th May to the 31st May, I am going to announce a short break from online teaching learning process. Inshallah, in the June first week, we will make an announcement for continuation of the online classes. From the last 2 days, you have observed that we are sending the PDF file on the WhatsApp group. And today, we will send all the remaining subjects PDF. Already most of students have completed their work, so they no need to worry. But the newly joined parents, for those parents, we are sending all the PDF from first lecture till yesterday on the group, so they can make the students to complete their work in CW book. Now, last to my dear students, in these special days of the Ramzan, learn a very important value, that is gratitude. Show your gratitude towards Almighty to bless with you so many opportunities. Show your gratitude towards your parents who providing you what you want. Show your gratitude towards your teachers who always want to increase your knowledge. Show your gratitude to each and everyone who is doing something good to you. My students, remain at home, remain safe, remain happy, remain healthy. Inshallah, we will meet soon in our regular school. Have a nice day. Jazakallah khair.